gonna make myself an iced coffee with my Premier Protein caramel. I don't like drinking these by themselves. It's a little too sweet, so I add it to my coffee. And I have an iced coffee. This is my espresso from earlier. It got a little cold, so I'm going to drink it in a protein shake. And then I did make some of that salted caramel sauce with the grandma's molasses earlier, so we'll just spoon a little bit over it. And there it is. Isn't that pretty? Let's see how this tastes. Swirls are a little bit. Excuse you, sir. Can I help you? That's my coffee. That's mine. Yeah. You already had some pup cup. You already had that. This is mine. Yeah. Okay, pause off the table. Pause off the table. Thank you. Thank you, Papa.